Hey everybody, Dr. Jason here to teach you how to use your Theragun to treat bicep tendonitis. Whether you're a weekend warrior or simply someone working hard every day in support of your family, we all can experience bicep tendonitis at one time or another. Theragun is an amazing device to help you manage your pain and tension and find relief. I actually still suffer from bicep tendonitis from my accident, and I use this protocol every day. So here's what you're gonna do. Step 1, pick your attachment. I like the wedge for my bicep, but you can use whichever one you liked for this particular treatment. Remember, attachments allow you to personalize your usage for your own needs. If you have a Pro, you can adjust the arm angle to meet your need, but our ergonomic Theragun triangle design makes it easy to use almost anywhere on your body. Step 2, turn on your Theragun by holding down the power button, then set the treatment speed. Remember to always turn it on before applying it to your body. Now, determine which grip will feel most natural for you to use while treating your bicep. I recommend the reverse grip, because it gives you the best feel and the most control. Step 3, now for the fun part, using your Theragun and finding the relief you're looking for. Start with a lighter, gentle pressure and treat from your pec minor down to just past your elbow joint, back and forth for 30 seconds. Then bend your elbow and move up to your bicep tendon. Treat here for a concentrated 30 seconds. When you're done, extend your wrist, elbow, and shoulder joint back to do a mild stretch to this tissue. Remember, we want your Theragun to feel like an extension of your hand, so explore all the speed, attachment, and grip combinations to find the one that's right for you.